What is up, guys? Hey, it's me, Plasma Sun, coming back once again with another video, and we're talking about drop shotting. How to drop shot. Well, first, okay, so on PC, for the drop shot, you basically use your left pinky to go down and hit control while you shoot. It's pretty simple. I'll show you in a bit. And then on controller, it's also different because on controller, you just hit B to crouch / prone. Well, if you hold it down, you're prone. Alright, drop shotting. Hop in this private match of yours with the bots and just practice. Alright, so tip number 1, drop shotting that I can advise to anyone is always have your crosshair in the middle. Don't have it too high, don't have it too low in the middle. Because when you come around the corner, it's a lot easier to drop shot looking this way versus up. So like I said, up, it's like boom, you're way too high. Versus middle, you hop out, side, you know, you target right there, it's in your frame. That split second is gonna save you. Boom. You didn't see it coming. And just get used to moving your wrist around a lot. So when drop shotting, the point is you want to make yourself smaller so the enemy can't hit you. When you lay down, of course, it's hard to hit you. Harder to hit you. Tip number 3. You're not going to win every single fight. Just push a fight and just be ready to lose. If it doesn't work every time, the guy might be already drop shotting. The other guy's sights might be already on you, so you understand that every drop shot isn't gonna work. But the more you do it, the more you practice, the better you're gonna get. Alright, so really quick, we're gonna hop to a game and just see how many drop shots we can get while playing. Now my goal here is to drop shot every single time to get a kill. That is the goal. Alright, let's grab our AUG and hop right into it. There's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 3. Yep. Oh! Pop stag. Stem. Run around. Woo! That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. Oh, 7! Ah, it's 9! 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, there we go. Let them come to you. Ours, let them come to you. So that was just me hopping into the random lobby. I think I got about 16 or 17 drop shots just by practicing for fun. Let me know in the comments down below how many drop shots you got in the random lobby, and let me know if it worked out, if you practice or not. I'm just curious. But anyways, here's some great highlights that I have of me drop shotting. Enjoy them, please. Make sure to leave a like or subscribe if you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful. Thank you, and see you later. The shotgun. Who's in come here? And that's how you do it, boys. Drop shot.